Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2018 Harris 240 Solstice. This 24-foot pontoon has nice gray interior. It has an infinity woven flooring, which is nice. It's tough on scratches. If you have dogs, it can handle scratches on there. Red wine, red juice, anything like that. All these loungers have nice pull-down armrests that are equipped with cup holders. They're on both sides. Of course, storage under each and every cushion. This one's equipped with a subwoofer, which is a nice addition. This one is considered to be our center walkthrough, so there's a walkthrough all the way through. And the co-captain chair here has a nice full tall back. Underneath this compartment is a dressing room. Here in the back, just again, single lounger center walkthrough, which is nice. It has the two loungers here in back with the flip down armrest with the cup holders in them. Also, you can see the nice upgraded black acrylic table, which can be turned in any direction as you like when the doors are shut. We could also mount it in the front if that's easier for you. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. The cup holders are lighted. It's blue lighting, blue rope lighting. It's an absolutely great boat here. The captain chair has a flip-up bolster. You could flip that up to be able to see over the person sitting in front of you possibly. Here at the helm, this boat is powered by a Polk Audio head unit. It has all your flip switches, all your tack, your depth finders, and everything else here. It's got a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. This boat seats 14 people. And again, this is our 2018 240 Solstice model. Again, this is a gorgeous boat. We also have plenty other boats in stock, both 2019s and 2018s. As you can see, we have a massive lineup. Down here, this is in our warehouse outside. We also have a great lineup in our show floor. And again, lots of pontoons lined up here. They're all in order. Gorgeous boats, great deals. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out us today.